Okay, so here we have a Pfaff industrial model. I'm not even sure of the designation of the number. I put it in my table for my Singer, and what I had to do was put a couple of small blocks on the side of the front so it wouldn't fall through. I just screwed them into the side of the hole, the cutout there. It's a nice machine, you just don't really need it. This Singer here does my zigzagging. I don't use zigzag very much, and I sure don't use any embroidery. But as you can see, this machine, let's see if we can get it here. Has no place for a motor or to plug it in, and it has a knee lift on it. I'm not very good at videos. So anyway, I thought I'd just show a little bit of this. The belt's loose. It's just and I do not have the knee lift hooked up or anything. And if you just hold down this here, you can get temporary zigzag. Oh, that's reversed. Okay, let's try that again. So, what it does have is this booklet, but I don't think it's a 260. I think it's a 252 or something like that. But everything in this book is pretty much for these controls. But it is a nice machine. I mean, it's quiet and solid, and you could put this high speed and it's not going to hurt it. So it goes from straight stitch to zigzag, then back to straight by holding down this lever here. I was messing around with some of the embroidery stuff on it, as you can see there, but I have no need for embroidery. So that was just a short video. Thank you. Bye.